talk about the August 2021 NPR and some of the new items that we're adding here. This is what the NPR looked like. So the first item we'll talk about, this is a InFrame Kit. Actually, the pistons and the piston crown and the skirt are new for this application. And this is for the DT530 Huey engine, 300 horsepower, model year 1995 to 1999. So this kit, the skirt and the crown are a little bit different than the most popular two-piece piston that we sell for this application. This is what this InFrame kit is for. You'll see it's a 708 3126 C91 is the part number for the InFrame kit. You can see the components there. It's got an induction hardened liner, two-piece pistons, forged steel crown, and you can see the components that come with that. Also for Navistar, this is the camshaft for the 466 or 570 engine. This is the camshaft for those applications. We're continuing to add camshafts. We've got some new equipment here in-house, and I think many of you have seen it already, that allows us to measure camshafts very accurately. So some of the camshafts that we've tended to stay away from, we're able to measure now. So you'll be seeing more camshafts coming in for different applications. And this is one of the first Navistar cams that we've engineered. You can see this is a steel cam, induction hardened lobes. You can see the hardening of the lobes area there where the induction furnace or heater goes on them. So we'll be adding additional cams. I have a couple more Navistar cams that we're going to do. You'll probably see those towards the end of the year. We also announced some new valve springs. These are for the C-Series engine and L-Series engine. And what Cummins has done here is they've gone away from the traditional wire profile, and they've gone to what they call an ovate wire, which is kind of a oval shape, if you will, if you can imagine the cross-section of the wire. It's very popular in automotive engines, and Cummins has gone to that wire for some of the later models for ISB, and then these two part numbers here. So these do replace previous part numbers. We still have some of the previous style springs in stock that we will be running out of, but these are now available. There's actually 3 different part numbers. The B-Series spring we announced earlier in the year. So here's a new fuel injection item. This is the fuel transfer pump for a 3126 B engine and E engine. This is driven off the front cover of the engine. So this would be the low pressure pump or transfer pump, okay? So this would suck the fuel out of the tank and then pressurize it into the high pressure pump. You can see that pump there. There's a little plunger down inside of it. If you look at the next picture, you can see this little plunger right here, and that's what makes the whole thing work. There's a cam that drives that, and it does come with the mounting O-ring. Also for 3126, we have a new piston cooler. The 135-5970 is the piston cooling nozzle for those later 3126 applications. And there's a close-up view of it. New engine valve for QSK series engines, the 288-1836. There's many different cylinder heads for the QSK engine. And this is one of the later ones. You can see that that's got a special low friction coating on it. You can see how the valve stem there appears black. There's a better picture of it. So you can see the coating on that valve stem. And it's to reduce friction and increase durability. Comes with the valve locks. That's all I had for my part. That's the NPR.